Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basic. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to name your organization on GTA Online. So at first, to name it, all you have to do is just buy the office. And after you buy it, just stick out your phone pressing the scroll button on your map. As your phone pops up, go for the option Internet and just click it. And go for the option Money and Services. And look for the option Dynasty 8 executiverealty.com and look for the office you have just bought. So after you find it, just click it and click on renovate. As you can see the option organization name, so click on it and go in the typing box and type any of the name you want to keep it for you. And after you keep it, just hit enter. And also guys, you can change the font or the color of the font. And after you select everything you want, go on the renovate and click on it. It also costs you. So guys, that's how you change the organization name on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.